It's clear that the Alabama legislature engaged in race-based gerrymandering.
The U.S. Supreme Court orders Alabama to redraw its congressional map. Chief Justice John Roberts and Justice Brett Kavanaugh sided with the court's 3 liberal justices, ruling that Alabama violated the Voting Rights Act by illegally watering down black voting strength. Justice Clarence Thomas dissented in a 5-4 vote. The surprise move from the conservative court could have a ripple effect here in Georgia.
Fox 5's Christopher King talks with a legal expert about the possibility the decision could force our state to redraw its voting map.
Plaintiffs argue Georgia's congressional map illegally dilutes black voters. A legal expert we speak with says the Supreme Court decision could strengthen that case here in Georgia.
This case from the United States Supreme Court is now legal precedent.
The U.S. Supreme Court on Thursday ruled Alabama violated the Voting Rights Act.
The Voting Rights Act of 1965 says that we are to be free of racial discrimination in voting in the United States of America.
The conservative high court, in a surprise decision, affirmed a lower court ruling that found Alabama undercut the 1965 law when it drew a congressional map with 1 majority black seat out of 7 congressional districts in a state where more than 1 in 4 residents is black.
It's telling us as a guiding post that vote dilution is a bad thing and it will not be tolerated.
The Supreme Court ordered Alabama to redraw its congressional maps to proportionally reflect the black population. Thursday's ruling could greenlight a similar case here in our state. It argues Georgia's congressional districts illegally reduce the strength of black voters.
It unequivocally should strengthen the Georgia suit.
Alicia Hughes is the interim executive director at the Center for Civil Rights and Social Justice at Emory University's Law School.
Will it mean that Georgia will ultimately have to redraw its districts to comply with the Voting Rights Act?
Yes, sir.
That could affect the balance of power in a narrowly split Congress if courts find Georgia similarly violated the Voting Rights Act.
So this is very, very important, critically important, particularly as we go into a presidential election year.
The Georgia Democratic Party praised the ruling. They call it a win for democracy. The state attorney general's office would not comment on the case since it's still in court. At the state capitol, Christopher King, Fox 5 News.